Imagine waking up one day and finding a genie standing in front of you. You scream at him, demand to know who he is and what he's doing in your house, and threaten to call the police unless he leaves. Then he tells you he's there to grant you any superpower you want. You could fly, turn invisible, have super strength, anything. All you have to do is wish for it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and the decision matters. You have to choose the right power. But what if I told you none of those is the best choice? If I got to choose, I wouldn't hesitate. I'd choose the power to create anything I could imagine. An adventure, a story, an entirely new world. That would give me the ability to turn a thought into something everyone can see. And what if I told you no genie needs to sneak into your house for you to have that power? I recently found an AI video model that I genuinely believe can change the world. It can create actual movies. I'm not talking about clips that look great, but completely fall apart when you try to make them even a little longer. I'm talking about a genuine revolution in AI video creation, a tool built to change everything. It can generate videos up to 30 seconds long while keeping the same characters and environments completely consistent from beginning to end, with built-in sound, effects, and camera changes. Don't believe me? Look at this. But you know what they say, with great power comes great responsibility. Malva, what can we actually use this for? A lot. We can create videos designed to go viral and upload them to platforms where we can monetize them. We can take advantage of the model's consistency by uploading a product photo and creating an ad where that product stays consistent across different settings. And those are only a few of the things I'm going to show you in this video, so you can get the most out of this new video model. To make sure you don't miss more tools like this, remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a positive comment. I'm talking about Seedance 2.5, and the best place I found to use it is Higgsfield. Instead of paying for several separate subscriptions, you get the best image, video, and audio models in one place, along with much more. That includes the new Seedance 2.5 model, available right here. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it with me. When you open the interface, you'll see several settings we can use to create exactly the video we need each time. The first option, of course, is text to video, which doesn't require any additional input. As you can see, it can generate up to 30 seconds in 1080p with sound included. We'll look at the rest of the features later. For this test, I used a prompt I had already tried with the previous model. With 2.0, the result was only 15 seconds long and had a few errors. It was still very good, but compared with this new video, the difference is obvious. This one is twice as long. The sound is much better integrated, every animation looks better, and it stays consistent from beginning to end. At the end of the video, I'll show you where you can copy all the prompts I'm using today, so you don't have to write them yourself. But I found something even better. This isn't actually the best way to generate videos. Let's take advantage of just how powerful and detailed this model is. To create a 10-minute video, here's what I recommend. Since Higgsfield gives us so many options, we'll start by creating a video from text.
No, no, no!
As you can see, the result looks very good. Now, to make it longer, I'm going to upload the clip as a reference. Higgsfield lets us do this so the model can analyze its aesthetic, its overall look, and the characters in it. Then I'll ask it to continue the video for another 10 seconds. This gives us control over what appears in every shot, and if we don't like something, we don't ruin the entire video. We can keep extending it this way until we have a 1-hour movie, if that's what we need. I also found another feature. If you know someone who makes music, or you want to start making music yourself, but don't have thousands and thousands of dollars for a music video, look at what I made. First, I uploaded this audio. As you can hear, it's a song.
Stay for a minute, stay for an hour, sit back.
Then I gave it a prompt that simply said I wanted a music video. I sent it, and look at the result. In just a few minutes, it created a music video where the vocals, lyrics, and music all fit the visuals perfectly.
Stay for a minute, only word is to be clear.
There's a lot we can do with this, whether we use it ourselves or create music videos for other people, without them having to spend thousands of dollars or go through a full shoot. But I know some of you prefer to control absolutely everything that appears in the video and don't want to be limited to typing in a text box. The best way I've found to create videos here is to combine Seedance with an image tool. Higgsfield also includes most of today's most powerful image models, including GPT Image 2 and Seedream 5.0 Pro. I'm going to use this one. I'll keep adding prompts and generating images in groups of 4 until one catches our eye. The platform also has tools to edit the image, but once it's ready, we click this button and go back to the Seedance 2.5 section. Here, we upload it as a reference and add a prompt explaining how we want it animated. This way, the model keeps every character and setting consistent throughout the video, and we can define exactly how everything should look while we're still in the image section. As you've seen, we can use text, video, audio, and images to create videos. But there's still one more thing. We can upload a product photo that wasn't shot professionally, even if it was taken on our phone or on the phone of the person we're making the video for. With one simple prompt, we'll ask it to create an ad based on the highest retention ads in history. The goal is to create something extremely eye-catching that makes the audience feel like they need the product we're promoting. Just like before, this works both for promoting your own product as you start selling it and for approaching any company and telling them you can create an ad that's much cheaper and higher quality than what any other marketing agency could offer. On top of that, if there's anything they don't like about the video, we can change it without having to shoot the entire thing again. But today, focusing only on horizontal video would be a mistake. Vertical videos generate millions and millions of interactions every day across multiple platforms, and we're going to take advantage of that too. We can change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and create vertical content using any of the features we've already seen. Image to video, text to video, whatever we need. We can also tell it to research what type of content usually gets the most engagement and keeps people watching, because retention is the key to making a video work. If we generate it, we'll have a clip that's much more likely than a typical one to reach millions of views. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.